Donald Trump has ignited a new international storm, and this time it's coming from the Arctic. In a move that stunned U.S. allies and sent shockwaves through Europe, Trump's latest tariff threats linked to Greenland have triggered sharp condemnation from European leaders, raising serious questions about the future of NATO and America's role on the global stage. Here's what's happening. Over the past days, Donald Trump has revived aggressive rhetoric tying U.S. trade policy to strategic control and influence in the Arctic region, particularly Greenland. According to Trump, the United States is being taken advantage of by European partners while shouldering the burden of global security. His response has been classic Trump: threaten sweeping tariffs on European goods unless U.S. interests are fully respected. While Trump stopped short of announcing immediate tariffs, his language was strong enough to cause alarm across Europe. One senior European official called the move reckless, while others warned it could destabilize long-standing alliances. To understand why this matters, you have to look at Greenland's strategic importance. Greenland sits at the center of Arctic shipping routes, rare earth minerals, and military positioning as global powers compete for influence in the region. Trump has long viewed Greenland as a critical asset, famously proposing its purchase years ago. Now, instead of deals, he's using economic pressure. Trump recently said the U.S. will no longer subsidize countries that undermine American strength, a statement widely interpreted as a direct warning to Europe. The reaction from NATO allies has been swift and unusually blunt. European leaders have pushed back, saying trade threats tied to security cooperation cross a dangerous line. Behind closed doors, diplomats are reportedly worried that Trump's approach could weaken NATO unity at a time of growing global instability. Publicly, officials are stressing cooperation, but the message is clear. Trump's hardline tactics are straining relationships that have defined Western security for decades. Supporters of Trump, however, see this as a continuation of his America First strategy. They argue Trump is doing what previous leaders refused to do, forcing allies to take U.S. interests seriously. Conservative commentators have praised Trump for standing his ground and challenging what they call unfair trade practices. For Trump's base, this confrontation reinforces his image as a strong negotiator, willing to disrupt the status quo. Critics see it very differently. They warn that linking tariffs to security alliances risks turning economic disputes into security crises. Analysts say even the threat of tariffs can rattle markets, disrupt supply chains, and weaken trust between allies. At a time when global tensions are already high, Trump's Arctic showdown could have consequences far beyond Greenland. What happens next is critical. If Trump follows through on these tariff threats, Europe may respond with countermeasures, escalating into a full-blown trade conflict. If cooler heads prevail, this could end as another high-stakes negotiation tactic. Either way, Trump has once again proven that his approach to politics and international relations is anything but conventional. The key takeaway is simple. Trump's Greenland tariff warning isn't just about trade. It's about power, alliances, and the future of NATO. If you want more clear, fast, and factual updates on Donald Trump and the political battles shaping the world, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for the latest Trump news.